Mastering ISO 62304. ISO 62304 defines the purpose and scope, or risks compromising operational excellence. When does an organization need to define the purpose and scope of ISO 62304? And what specific aspects of its medical device software lifecycle does it address to ensure operational excellence? In the pursuit of operational excellence, I've seen many organizations struggle to navigate the complexities of ISO 62304, the international standard for medical device software lifecycle processes. As I delved deeper into this world, I realized that it's not just about checks and balances, but about creating a culture of accountability and responsibility. I recall a particularly challenging project I worked on with a mid-sized medical device company. They had recently received a warning letter from the FDA, citing numerous software-related issues with their flagship product. The company was in crisis mode, and it was clear that they needed a radical overhaul of their software development processes. As we began to dig in, it became apparent that the organization lacked a clear sense of purpose and scope for their software development efforts. They were reacting to regulatory pressures, rather than proactively designing a robust software development process that would ensure the quality and safety of their products. The first step was to clearly define the purpose and scope of ISO 62304 within the organization. This involved bringing together stakeholders from across the company to discuss the implications of the standard on their software development lifecycle. We facilitated open and honest discussions about the current state of their processes, the risks associated with non-compliance, and the benefits of adopting a more structured approach. Through these conversations, it became clear that the organization needed to focus on three key areas: software development planning, software design and development, and software verification and validation. By zeroing in on these critical aspects of the software lifecycle, we could identify areas of improvement and develop targeted strategies for addressing them. One of the most significant challenges we faced was the cultural shift required to implement ISO 62304. The organization had historically relied on individual heroism and ad hoc processes to get products to market quickly. However, this approach had led to numerous quality and safety issues, not to mention the FDA warning letter. To overcome this, we worked with the leadership team to develop a compelling vision for operational excellence, one that emphasized the importance of a structured software development process in ensuring the safety and efficacy of their products. We also established clear metrics and key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure progress towards this vision, and provided training and coaching to help employees understand their roles and responsibilities within the new framework. As we began to implement the changes, I was struck by the sense of empowerment that began to permeate the organization. Employees who had previously felt constrained by the lack of clear processes and procedures were now eager to take ownership of their work and contribute to the development of high-quality software. One of the most significant aha moments came when we realized that the software development process was not just about checking boxes, but about creating a culture of accountability and responsibility. By involving employees in the development of the process, we were able to tap into their collective wisdom and expertise and create a sense of shared ownership and responsibility for the outcome. Throughout the process, I was acutely aware of the moral implications of our work. We were not just implementing a standard, we were working to ensure the safety and well-being of patients who would be using these medical devices. This sense of responsibility weighed heavily on our shoulders and motivated us to persevere through the challenges and setbacks that inevitably arose. In the end, our efforts paid off. The organization was able to successfully implement ISO 62304 and saw significant improvements in product quality, reduced errors and rework, and enhanced customer satisfaction. More importantly, they had established a culture of operational excellence, one that would serve them well in the years to come. As I look back on this experience, I am reminded that operational excellence is not just about following a standard or framework, it's about creating a culture of accountability, responsibility, and shared ownership. It's about recognizing the human impact of our work and taking a proactive role in shaping the outcome. Defining the purpose and scope of ISO 62304 is a crucial step towards achieving operational excellence in the development and maintenance of medical device software. The purpose of ISO 62304 is to establish a framework for the software lifecycle processes necessary to ensure the safety and effectiveness of medical device software. It provides a structured approach to managing the software development, validation, verification, and maintenance activities throughout the medical device software lifecycle. The scope of ISO 62304 covers the entire software lifecycle, from conception to decommissioning, including software development, testing, validation, verification, deployment, operation, maintenance, and decommissioning. It addresses the software-specific aspects of the medical device lifecycle, focusing on the software components that are embedded in medical devices, as well as standalone software applications used in healthcare. ISO 62304 is designed to ensure that medical device software is developed and maintained in a way that meets regulatory requirements, industry standards, and customer needs. It emphasizes the importance of risk management, quality management, and continuous improvement throughout the software lifecycle. By implementing ISO 62304, medical device manufacturers can ensure that their software products are safe, effective, and reliable, and that they meet the necessary regulatory requirements. To ensure operational excellence, ISO 62304 addresses the following specific aspects of the medical device software lifecycle. 1. Software development planning. ISO 62304 emphasizes the importance of planning and controlling the software development process, including defining software requirements, designing the software architecture, and creating a detailed project plan. 2. Software requirements analysis. The standard highlights the need for a thorough analysis of software requirements, including functional and non-functional requirements, interfaces, and performance criteria. 3. Software design and development. ISO 62304 provides guidance on software design, coding, testing, and verification, including the use of established software development methodologies, tools, and techniques. 4. Software validation and verification. The standard emphasizes the importance of validation and verification activities, including testing, inspection, and validation of software components and systems. 5. Software deployment and operation. ISO 62304 addresses the deployment and operation of medical device software, including installation, configuration, and maintenance activities. 6. Software maintenance. The standard provides guidelines for software maintenance, including defect correction, updates, and modifications, as well as the evaluation and implementation of changes. 7. Risk management. ISO 62304 stresses the importance of risk management throughout the software lifecycle, including the identification, assessment, and mitigation of risks. 8. Quality management. The standard emphasizes the need for a quality management system that ensures the software meets regulatory requirements, industry standards, and customer needs. 9. Continuous improvement. ISO 62304 encourages continuous improvement activities, including lessons learned, feedback, and corrective action, to ensure the software lifecycle processes are efficient, effective, and continually improving. By addressing these specific aspects of the medical device software lifecycle, ISO 62304 provides a comprehensive framework for ensuring operational excellence in the development, maintenance, and deployment of medical device software. It helps medical device manufacturers to ensure the safety, effectiveness, and reliability of their software products, and to comply with regulatory requirements and industry standards.